Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Facebook for your Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply come over into your Microsoft Store. If you can't find it into the taskbar, then simply you can go for the search option and going to search for Microsoft Store. You will get it over here. So after opening Microsoft Store, what you can do, you will get the top free apps options over here. But we won't going for this. We will going to simply type for Facebook over here, and then we will get this Facebook app and simply click on install, and you can see the things are getting ready. So you can see the download is completed, and now if you click on open, your Facebook will be opened over here, and you can see that you can simply give the email address, then your password, then you can simply log in. If you didn't have the account, then simply click on the create new account. So this is how you can install and download Facebook for your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.